Hey guys, I'm Dipankar back with another video, and today I have the smartphone you may have seen trending on Facebook and Instagram. Yes, this is OnePlus 6T. In this video I will show you the unboxing and then I will talk about the phone. The phone features a full screen display with a tiny notch at the top. This is better than having a wide notch we saw in OnePlus 6. The bottom bezel has also been reduced from its predecessor. The 6.41-inch optic AMOLED panel is brilliant and offers nice experience. Videos run on full screen and that improves the overall video experience. The display works good in both indoor and outdoors. You can also change the screen calibration if you want. There is also an option to hide the notch completely if you don't like it. The right side has alert slider and power button. The left side has SIM slot and volume rocker. The base side has USB Type-C port and a speaker grill. There is no headphone jack and it can be a big disappointment for many people. For keeping your wired headphone alive, the company also gives a 3.5mm to Type-C audio cable. OnePlus 6T has glass back similar to OnePlus 6, but there is no fingerprint sensor on the back this time because the fingerprint sensor is now below the display. So just put the thumb on the display to unlock it. Even if the company claims to make the fastest implementation of the in-display fingerprint sensor, I don't agree. This feature is still under development and is not as efficient as traditional fingerprint sensors. You have to put the thumb properly on the display so it slows down the unlocking mechanism. Sometimes it even fails to unlock. When you have a fast face unlock, you are less likely to use the slow under-display fingerprint sensor option. At least that is what I am doing. The phone packs 2.8 GHz octa-core Snapdragon 845 processor with 6GB and 8GB RAM options. Like OnePlus 6, this phone is also really smooth and offers fast performance. The Adreno 630 GPU is also there. The phone performs well and handles games well. But the Oxygen OS has some issues, especially on the camera app as compared to OnePlus 5. Yes, OnePlus 5, the app takes more time to load and more time to capture photos after tapping on shutter icon. Sometimes it does nothing after tapping on shutter icon and I had to reopen the app to take photos. I didn't use other apps much, but the camera app experience was seriously disappointing. I hope this will be fixed soon. The camera setup is same that was in OnePlus 6. It has 16 megapixels primary and 20 megapixels secondary camera on the back with support to OIS and EIS both. The front side has 16 megapixels front camera. The camera performance is same as in OnePlus 6, but there are few software updates to the camera and these updates will also be available to OnePlus 6 as well. The most notable is the nightscape, but that is also not worth to praise. It of course improves the photos, but takes too much time in capturing a shot. Holding the camera steady for around 7 to 8 seconds just for a single shot is a pain. Here are a few camera samples. I am impressed with both daylight and low light performance. Selfie camera is also good. I will bring a dedicated camera review later, so subscribe the channel if you don't want to miss that video. The battery is now larger, and the OnePlus 6T packs 3700 mAh battery that is expected to perform better. This was not the review of OnePlus 6T, so I didn't go deep down on few things. The final review of OnePlus 6T will take some time, so subscribe the channel if you want to get notification of that video. OnePlus 6T fails to impress as an upgrade to OnePlus 6. If you already own the OnePlus 6, you shouldn't invest money just to get under-display fingerprint sensor that is more of a marketing feature than the actual usable feature. Being true, OnePlus had a pressure of doing something to justify its price after the launch of Poco F1. It cannot go down in pricing because it could hurt its existing customer base who bought OnePlus 6. So it added under-display fingerprint sensor just to show that they are doing something different. But see at Vivo, they are already using it in a better and cheaper way. No doubt the phone is impressive, but there are few cons. I will talk about OnePlus 6T in detail in the upcoming video, and will also do its comparison with Poco F1. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any question or suggestion, leave it in the comments. I hope you like this video. If you do, press the like button. That's it in this video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next one.